By 2045, mining will be sustainable in three ways. Despite technical developments that have made the business more environmentally friendly, mining still consumes huge resources: water, land, carbon, and energy, and frequently causes serious environmental harm. If not treated properly, this damage can linger for decades after mining activities have ended, making the area more vulnerable to natural processes such as soil erosion, and can increase after the equipment has been removed. Now, as companies and governments worldwide seek methods to minimize carbon production and environmental effect, experts and individuals from within and outside the mining industry are urging the industry to consider how it might reduce its footprint seriously. Discover 5 ways the mining sector can decrease its environmental effect and improve sustainability. 1. Lower impact mining techniques. Mining practices can significantly impact the environment, and some methods, such as open pit and underground mining, pose some of the most serious environmental dangers. By implementing modern, low-impact mining techniques, such as in situ leaching, mining businesses can reduce their environmental impact. Many of these strategies can help firms decrease surface disturbance at mining sites, prevent soil erosion, and transport less material that needs to be backfilled. Lowering interference in this way can lessen environmental effects while also less effort when preparing a place for faster revegetation or rehabilitation. 2. Reusing mining waste. Mining generates substantial waste, such as tailings, rocks, and wastewater. When mining activities end, many corporations leave waste behind, or, in the case of tailings, store it in enormous structures like tailings dams, which are prone to rupture and, as a result, inflict serious environmental harm. Fortunately, practically every type of mining waste has at least 1 or 2 reuse options, either on or off-site. Waste rocks can be used in basic on-site building, such as backfilling voids and recreating mine terrain to minimize soil erosion. Mine water, when properly treated, may be reused in almost any way, including agricultural, as a coolant on-site dust suppression and drinking water. Even tailings, which are typically poisonous and are left behind on mining sites or kept in large-scale tailings dams, may be put to good use. Businesses can utilize tailings in the manufacturing of bricks as paint extenders or in agroforestry, depending on the mineral and chemical makeup of the tailings. Some innovative technologies even allow for continued mining from tailings, lowering the overall quantity of minerals left behind on mining sites while simultaneously reducing the volume of trash deposited in tailings dams. However, not all of the uses are currently economically viable. To make some of the technologies practical at scale, the mining sector will most certainly need to engage in more research and development in mine waste reuse. 3. Just transition must be paired with new technology. If used appropriately, technology can play a role in enabling beneficial change. New technologies are already being utilized in the mining industry to digitize data collecting, track large data, automate aspects of the mining process, and create sustainable energy. The labor implications of these technologies, on the other hand, are wide and varied. Job classifications will change, as will the abilities required. This will result in new and improved possibilities for highly trained labor, but it will also provide issues for individuals whose occupations will be supplanted by robots. Training and skill development programs must be improved and extended to allow workers to accept this technological transformation. 4. Community involvement must happen at a deeper level. Active community participation must be prioritized throughout the mining cycle, from exploration to mine closure. Local communities should not be viewed as impediments to the mining process, but as vital partners with whom firms and governments should discuss and work at all stages. Their views must be heard, elevated, and prioritized in the mining process. The mining sector will only catalyze socioeconomic growth and stability. 5. Sector silos must be broken down to create holistic change. The globe is confronting a series of interconnected and compounding crises, including climate emergency, significant biodiversity loss, gender inequity, and violations of indigenous rights. Mining is at the cutting edge of numerous answers to these merging crises. It is essential to the production of renewable energy technologies while also being a significant source of global emissions. It can be a critical employer in indigenous communities while also becoming entangled in conflicts about land and natural resources. Forestry can have a substantial impact on local biodiversity, but it also plays a key role in protecting species and ecosystems, and it is often seen as a male-dominated profession. But opportunities for women exist. We must always be aware that there is often opportunity when there is danger. We must start now if we want the world to be better in 2045 than today.